Someone likes his new toy. Kitty, 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 kitty. Come back here. Misty. Oh, somebody sees it. Careful. You love your new toy, don't you? You like that, huh? Your daddy just texted. Yeah. Like it better on the longer string, don't you? Why do you always do that? You don't even have claws. Uh-oh, what's he doing? You going into the other side? Oh, there's the other kitty. Then we got two. I love the toys. Where's it going? Yeah, you got it. He's Grandma and Brandy. Did you have that in your mouth, Simba? Oh, that was cute. You don't really care too much for it. You like the string, though, don't you? You like the little bug thing. So you want it. Now we got them both kind of playing. You got it! You got it! Yes!